Yo, this is King Earner coming to you guys live and direct. Y'all keep talking about the honorable Tuna, the bluefin tuna. Everybody like, Earner, is that the same bluefin tuna that was in the can? Nils all. That's for individuals that's in jail. They put a lot of salt in, they put it in a package, and guess what? You're able to rip it open from time to time, and you're able to carry it in your fashion. Well, guess what? How I'm carrying the ahi tuna, the bluefin ahi tuna. We throw it right in the stainless steel pan, but we make sure that we have the avocado oil there because it's your friend. We got the same thing we use on the yacht, lo mein. A lot of y'all like, Earner, how you do that? Anything Chinese and have some type of black African American to it, we're going to add the same ingredients. Yeah, listen to me. You hear that? And one thing you got to understand about ahi tuna, it don't take that long to cook. And guess what? With a stainless steel pan, you want to make sure it begins to stick to it. A lot of y'all wouldn't understand that because y'all getting afraid. Oh, Ernie, it's going to stick. I'm not worried about a stick. Yo, King Earner live and direct. If you're crying about the price of this ahi tuna or this honorable porterhouse steak or this ribeye steak, you don't need to eat with me. I hear y'all online, y'all talking all the super shoot 'em up bang bang stories. Everybody hear that. It's about your legal earn and how you carry it. A lot of guys don't understand it. The feds is watching them and they're trying to get understanding like, are you illegal? No, a lot of y'all are legal, super legal, but you don't want to spend your money in the right direction. You worried about a Birkin's bag, and she don't want you no more. But guess what? When you eat this honorable ahi tuna steak, she's going to give you understanding because guess what? That omega-3 gives her understanding that guess what? Her calculator is in an honorable direction. But now, when you're giving her this honorable hamburger from McDonald's, she's like, it doesn't feel right because it smells funny and it's coming through her vajayjay. But I'm giving you understanding that at the end of the day, you can go ahead and elevate yourself. Elevate yourself with the ahi tuna or the honorable porterhouse steak. Y'all are talking about, oh, I'm trying to figure it out. Y'all want to be from this city, this state, and all these different places. But I'm giving you understanding of how to eat with King Earner in an honorable direction. If you can't eat with King Earner in an honorable direction, guess what? We ain't carrying it right. And guess what? If you're not carrying it right, she knows that. She's going to come to the cooking show and she's going to say, King Earner's not cooking that Trill's ass that you wanted me to eat. You at the back of Outback. Coming through, talking about you in a line because you're picking it up via DoorDash, you dishonorable dilzig sucker. I don't have understanding of that. But what I do have understanding of is that this honorable ahi tuna has an honorable taste and an honorable look. Bring him over here. And that's understanding. What y'all eating? I don't know what y'all eating, man. There you have it, the honorable ahi tuna. I could have made it a whole lot of different ways. Y'all know y'all seen me already make it in an honorable sandwich form, and y'all see me chop it up and eat it with rice and make other kind of salads. But here it is, whole, one piece, the honorable Ahi Tuna, King on a live and direct. Make sure y'all continue to tap in, like, share, and subscribe.